Okay guys, so today we are going to cook buffalo meat in bamboo shoot, okay? Purely Naga style. Okay guys, so my sister is cutting the meat now.
Okay.
Kiki taliwa.
Itu nakasal deh banang udah na. To itu basting aliwo. Itu merca green chili tuh. Itu aliwo, limau, tomato. Itu berapa benawa pure naga dish.
Okay.
Nakasal deh banang aja del mat aliwo fry.
So is it going to be very healthy?
Abang kali itu mangi thagi wo diman buri thagi wo. Sai thagi deh ending tak sai deh itu. Sai kita benar sai.
Okay, chalo. Guys, keep on watching, okay? We will show you the process. Kiman times wash ko siya tala?
Itu letter kan jalan siya mo don 20 times pula sih tu na. Aja dah hati ya sih deh, hati na. Hati mix. Sorry. Pai din fry di mana na?
Yeah.
Di mana? Hati tu Naga style deh, panai na. Dikau deh.
Today we are going to use this, okay?
Mizu lagi
Cooking.
cia sih.
Yeah, mizu dikshi. Mizu's credentials. Yeah.
Itu bina non-stick nish na. Deh, mak baru leh maksud na. Mizu itu. Oh my god.
These are the ingredients that she's going to add.
Kemudian tu na, min na bulu tu. Ni na, juta tu na banana slice kena dia. Lop chal buna je, Naga style je, Naga tu chal khai tu na makan tu.
Hoi, we like spicy,
Oh,
guys.
itu kan ni. Ini kan ada lagi sini. Itu kan. Siapa dia sedih macam chal berkawa.
Okay.
Kalau itu tu na, itu bici dia. Dom basting hali oli bicu. Dom itu nak hali lekta selalu dia na. Ni dom itu dia.
Okay.
Dom itu ini kita hali sedih mana. Ini ada.
Okay.
Na kuwi ay oxide itu basting aside itu basting lamba-lamba na itu halo deh ina guna aja tuh pure Naga style deh kau
Guys, it's going to be very
itu
tasty.
lamba-lamba na so hadi aja tuh ina kuwi
A
deh
little bit tangy, I guess. Na, alam tinggal daw na.
itu hadi aja na
Huh?
itu memang gimana tuh naik ini mau Amyan kalau kau bisa kau menjaga lu bisa dulu kamdi wala kamdi bicara itu barina ini sudah
Yeah. Yes, guys. Salt you can add according to your taste, but for us we like a little bit salty, so we are adding more salt.
lu bisa dulu itu deh tadi dulu gimana diri banawana taste itu asal so pani bisa dulu deh mah
Acha.
kemudian itu kaina bicara sawi itu fry kure bahana pas tinggal bahana sih bicara di mana kaina begitu deh
Okay, guys. Afterwards, I will have and then give you the review.
nah itu pani di mana sih deh
Acha.
ini kayak kuribe itu pasti nggak sih tuh napakatag tuh mahan steer no guru lagi bicara nile kundawo pasti nggak hadis sebelnya
Acha.
steer no guru lagi until unless napakatag tuh no cowok ini gak perlu
Okay, so we have to cook without touching at all. Now,
itu no cowok itu tuh na ini pakai itu 끝나거나 뒤 간단히시나 바나오디가
Okay.
시작할 때에서나
So guys,
지리 가이네 앞면 뭐게 comments
feedback diwa na. Acha review diwa. Apne laga sabji kina se.
지리 카이세위 프라이드 바나 바스팅하나도 나가 스타일에 바나세 앞면 가이나 리뷰 네
Next ingredient is ginger.
진짜로 어려워 스마이크 먹는 거대 우리나 당어당 하는 거
Okay. Guys, I don't know what happened to this plant. See?
나 스마이크 먹는 거대 나 그리나라 반갑어
You can keep on the plate na and then cut off.
진짜 버스
It's been one and a half an hour. Just 1.5 hour. Yes, smell is good. Smell the balasaya, guys. Pani pura suka ba na ginawa? Okay. So it will take time to cook.
파스팅아 이두 달려와나 저기 뭐 이두 pani 두 보이나 에 칸다 비치데 뭐 스틸 브라이드 주시나 이때는 스틸 브라이드
Okay. Guys, stay tuned. I will show you once it's done. Acha guys.
그대로 나
Ek khanda thark na.
에 칸다 하우시데 또 이두 알루 할리오 있니나 알루 저기는 가울래
Acha.
베비비 라게도나 이거 주도 라데 비스 거라는데 이렇게 뭐 스멜도 너무 좋네. 이제나 많이 하려고 알아 많이 하는데 길에도 하리가네. 아니 이거 싫어. 이제나 얘가 알고 있는구나.
You want stir?
스틸 불시도.
Okay.
내가 알로 바뀌는 동안 이거 알로 바뀌시는 거.
Now if potato is cooked, means curry is done.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, so it's cooked. This is the final look of our curry. Yeah, but it also becomes so soft enough. Okay, yeah. Okay, red you. And my name is okay. Guys, so this is the curry that my sister cooked. Now we are going to have it and then give the feedback. I mean, we are going to rate it. Okay, like she's saying to rate her cooking like
skills.
out of 10. Yeah.
First, let's pick up the food and score her.
Okay, so let's take it here.
The gravy is really good.
So far, it's good.
The combination with the spinach is really good with the meat.
Even the meat, no? It's good, guys.
Give her 10 out of 10 because it's really good. Not my first time having this kind of authentic Naga dish, but so far my favorite.
Honest review, okay? I'll give 9 out of 10.
9 is also
you
good.
are giving 10, right?
Yes.
I will give 9 out of 10. So guys, if you think that this video is worth watching, then please do not forget to like, share and comment. And yes, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, then please do not forget to subscribe before leaving the video. Do you want to say anything?
And if you want more recipes like this for this authentic curry, then you can comment so that we can make more videos of this.
Yes guys, so please comment down, and thank you for watching. Bye.